Hello friends, welcome to Astro Vidya Traditional Astrology. I am astrologer Vidyadhar Prabhakar. In my last two videos, I talked about the heart chakra and love, how you can generate love. That was basically more about romantic love. But there are numerous other reasons why you should activate your heart chakra. See, there are seven main chakras in our body, energy chakras. Now, why this heart chakra is so important? Every chakra has its own function, its own quality, and it does its own work. Similarly, heart chakra also does its own work. And why is the work of the heart chakra more important? Why is it important to activate the heart chakra? See, basically, when you activate the heart chakra, you become more loving, more compassionate, more empathetic, and most important, you are very much at peace with yourself. You are peaceful, calm, poised. You do things lovingly. See why I'm telling you this? In today's world, we have been taught to be highly competitive. Everyone is bombarding the thought on our minds that it is very important to be highly competitive. But a lot many times in being competitive, we develop a lot of negative feelings such as hatred, jealousy, anger for the person opposite us. We want to cause harm to that person, and whether we can really cause harm or not, basically we harm ourselves. We harm our own aura, our own energy. We are harming ourselves. That is the biggest loss of all these negative emotions. And when you activate your heart chakra, you develop lot of positive feelings inside you. You become more compassionate, and when you become more compassionate, your relationships improve. You are able to accept people as they are. You drop your anger. You become more loving, and you are ready to accept the person as he or she is. So you have better relations with your spouse, your children, your parents, your friends, your colleagues, your clients. So this is the main benefit. And most important, you become a very creative person. Now, what do I mean by creativity? We have a general idea about creativity that we get good thoughts, new thoughts in our mind. That is fine. But I would like to quote here what Osho Rajneesh once said. Osho says we have a very limited idea about creativity. When somebody composes some music, somebody has a new thought, or a painter, uh, pianist, we think they are all creative. No doubt they are creative, but creativity has more deeper sense. When you do things lovingly, when you are at peace with yourself, You are poised, calm, relaxed, and you do small day to day course in a loving manner. When you enjoy your work, you are creative in the real sense. And by opening the heart chakra and activating the heart chakra, you develop this quality over a period of time. Of course, it does need some practice, but you are more at peace with yourself. You enjoy life in the real sense. You are peaceful. Your day is truly creative in a in the correct sense, and then you make things better. You think creatively, constructively. That is the reason why you should open your heart chakra. It has positive impact on your health also. Your health improves. You are quiet. It has good impact physically also. Your blood pressure is normal, lot of health benefits, and you spend your day peacefully, and that is what we want. I hope you like this video. Thank you.